Excel in your preparation for the optional papers of the UPSC Mains 2025 with All India Optional Test Series. The papers follow a detailed written format, which tests your knowledge, challenges your critical and analytical abilities, and assesses your performance on answer writing skills. Revise, practice, and improvise your outcome for optional papers with the All India Optional Test Series 2025. Starting from 15th December, the series is available for Anthropology, Sociology, Political Science and International Relations, Geography, Philosophy, History. Enroll today and excel in your preparation with personalized mentoring and feedback, advanced answer writing skills, in-depth subject understanding, strategic preparation for maximized performance.